Good morning. We're in Littleton, Colorado. It's 18 degrees outside. I had to stop the chain up. That was lots of fun as always. So we're going to Palo Alto, California. And I hope we get good weather, stay out of more snow. But it looks like we might be going through a blizzard and getting rerouted to go towards another blizzard. But supposedly it's not that bad. We'll see what happens. Well, roads are pretty nice now. Got some traction. Everybody's still driving a little slow, but a lot faster than what we're doing this morning. At least now we're doing 35. And it's still snowing and the chain up station is closed. Alright, so we've been rerouted yet again at Trinidad, or before Trinidad rather. I-25 is closed, the Raton Pass is closed. So we're going to be heading towards San Luis, into Taos, down the Rio Grande River, into Espanola, Santa Fe, and down into Albuquerque, back in. Well, going to get back on I-25 around Santa Fe and go in through Albuquerque and continue on the 40 towards California. At least that's my plan for now, unless anything else happens. Alrighty, peace. I need to stop saying already. But hey, it is what it is. View at the moment, and I'm getting ready to take off yet again. The only thing I'm not looking forward to is I'm going to be driving in towards the sunset. Normally it would be cool, but I don't like the sun in my eyes. Who does, right? Alright, so this is the Sangre de Cristos mountains, means the blood of Christ. When the sun goes down, they turn red. Right now, we're right outside of Flagstaff, Arizona. It is -1 degrees outside. Getting ready to go do my pre-trip. For me, this has been an interesting ride, not to say the least. It's been snow, snow, snow everywhere I go. It's very beautiful, but it's a little iffy and tricky. Alright, we'll see you soon. The mood lighting in the sleeper. Yeah. Ooh. Let's do this. Let's roll. Frozen snow. Hey, so we made it to Palo Alto, California for our delivery, but due to all the weather conditions and road closures, we did arrive a little late, so now we're dropping first thing in the morning at 6 o'clock. So I'm going to show you what the truck looks like after going through all the snow, ice, and sand that they throw on the road that we get traction. The camera really doesn't show justice to how dirty this thing really got. Truck did work pretty hard. Yes, I work for FedEx. Well, rather, I am a carrier for FedEx. I do not work for FedEx directly. You can no longer see yourself in my toolboxes. Fuel tank. I need to pull my chains back out because, well, I was on the side of the road and unchained. I just threw them in right away so we could get moving again, so I'll be doing that soon. I did pick me up another fire extinguisher. That's my old one, so when I get back home I'll take it somewhere and get that recharged and leave it, I guess, put it back in the truck, or I don't know, whatever they want me to do with it. Maybe I have to keep it, who knows. But that's going to be it for now. We'll deliver first thing in the morning, as I was saying. And the good news is we already have us another load, but we get to do it again. We're going from here to Boulder, Colorado, so I hope the road conditions are better and we don't get as much weather. If not, we'll just do it again and make it happen. All right. Peace out. Bye.